Hello everyone, my name is Bazad Agdashi. I'm here with my colleague Shams Tanvir, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install i2D device in your car. First of all, I would like to appreciate your interest in becoming volunteer in this data collection effort. Our i2D technology is consisted of three pieces. One is a black box, which we call it i2D device, and then we have a couple of cables. One cable is OBD cable, which will connect to your OBD port in your car, and the other one is the antenna for GPS sensor and also as well as the cellular network antenna. The way that these two cables will get connected to i2D device is that one of the cables will get connected on this side of the box, and the other one, which looks like a network cable, will get connected to the other side. Before installation of the i2D device in your car, you need to make sure that your car is parked in a level ground. Step 1 in installation of the i2D device is that you need to identify where your OBD2 port is. It's usually it's on the driver's side under the steering wheel. Okay, let's go and see where my OBD2 port is. I'm going down on the bottom of the steering wheel on the driver's side, and as you can see, this is my OBD2 port down here. So the OBD2 port cable needs to get connected to this. Step 2 is to identify where you want to put your i2D device. As you see, the i2D device has equipped with a two-sided tape. If you take out this shell, then you can attach it to any place in your car. The important thing is that once you install this device, you need to drive in the direction of these cables. So you need to make sure that wherever you want to install this device, it has to be in this direction so that you drive on these directions. In my car, I have decided to install this i2D device on this part of my car. So in order to do this, I want to first take out these shells for the tapes, as you see, and then I'm going to adjust the location in a way that I drive on the direction of the cables, and then I'm going to attach it here. Step number 3 is to install your antenna cable. Your antenna cable needs to be installed in a way that the end of this cable stays up on your dashboard. So in order to do this, as you see, I'm going to come and put this antenna here up in my dashboard, and then I need to bring this cable down to the i2D device. Okay, it will go here, come here, and then I will attach the cable to the i2D device. Step number 4 is to install and attach the OBD cable. In order to do this, we need to have the OBD cable, and then this part will go to the OBD port, which I'm going to attach it here to my OBD port, sorry. And then the other side will go to the i2D device. In order to do this step, you need to make sure that your car engine is off. Depending on the location of your OBD2 port, the cable may bother you while you are driving. So we do have different types of cables with different orientation that, depending on your car and the location of your OBD2 port, you can ask us to provide you with different cables. So for example, in my own car, I will use the other OBD2 cable, which will allow me to have the cable going on the back side of my foot and not bothering me while I'm driving. Step number 5 is to make sure that you have secured all the cables that you have. In order to do this, I'm going to raise the mat and put all the cables beneath the mat so it doesn't interrupt my foot while I'm driving. As you see, I put all the cables back here. Bingo! We are done with the i2D device installation, and it's time to turn on the engine and start data collection.